Hey there, want to start working out? Achieve the body you've always dreamed of? But yup, it's common to feel confused and not sure where to start. You're in the right place. In this video, we have answers. We will show you step by step the best way to start and make your fitness journey easier, ultimately helping you reach your fitness goals. Under the video, we have timestamps where you can skip to that part if you want to. Before we start the exciting part of exercising, we need to start with why. Why? This first step is the most important because if you don't know your why, your reason for wanting to keep exercising. Why do you wake up and get off bed every day? Get ready and put your workout clothes on. Drive or walk to the gym. Start exercising for 1 or 2 hours of your time. Can you keep this up 2-3x per week? If you don't know your why, it may be impossible for you to keep up. That means you will fail. And that's okay, perfectly normal. Importantly, start now. Figure out your why, your reason for wanting to exercise, and your fitness goals before you start working out. The common fitness goals are wanting to lose body fat and tone up, which means muscle growth. Improve your appearance. Or maybe you just want to impress others. To let you know, this reason is still not strong enough. Importantly, keep exploring your reasons further. A deeper reason can be as simple as wanting more adventure. Do you aspire to hike mountains without getting out of breath or feeling out of shape? Do you wish to avoid struggling with breathing? Maybe that's your reason. Or maybe your doctor has just informed you that you have high blood pressure or high cholesterol. Oh, you've just realized you want to live longer. Why? So you can play with your kids or grandchildren and have more energy while doing so. That could be your reason, or maybe you simply want to reduce the risk of injuring yourself. Do you find yourself falling frequently due to weak bones? Or do you find yourself getting sick or stressed all the time? Ultimately, you want to be stronger, which means less sick and stress. Or even a simple reason like not feeling confident, feeling insecure, or unhappy with yourself and your overall well-being. You want to become a better version of yourself. To improve yourself than yesterday. That's a powerful reason. Your why needs to be personal. When you can connect to that why and say, yes, that's why I want to keep exercising. Yes, you will experience some setbacks, feeling stuck by many obstacles. There are some days you will feel less motivated to work out. Sometimes life happens. For example, maybe something happens to your family or your dog, and you will stop exercising. If you know your reason, your why, you will find a way to get back on track, start exercising, and eating better again. Remember, your health, your future, and your best version of yourself are all worth investing in. Now that you know your why to keep exercising, what is your fitness goal in order to figure out your workout plan? Fitness goals vary depending on your individual preferences, health condition, and lifestyle. I will be sharing common fitness goals. First, fat and weight loss. Second, muscle growth. Or you may simply want to improve your overall strength. This means that with each exercise session, you aim to progressively increase the weight. When food shopping, you're able to carry heavy bags. Or you're able to carry furniture like sofa or chairs around. Or even open a jar with ease and more. These everyday tasks become better and more convenient when you're stronger. There are also other benefits, such as better mental health and stronger bones, which means a reduced risk of osteoporosis. A common mistake among beginners, including myself, is solely focusing on strength training without seeing significant improvements in appearance. Really, this outcome depends on your fitness goal. While strength training can improve your appearance, it's important to include other exercises that specifically target aesthetic improvements. For example, if your goal is to develop bigger arms or glutes, selecting the appropriate workout program is essential. Next, your goal may be to improve flexibility, allowing you to move your body more freely without feeling restricted. Or if you have injury, flexibility helps. You can stretch as short as around 5 to 15 minutes every day. Or another possible goal, improve your heart health. This means cardio. For example, jump rope, swimming, boxing, biking, whatever gets your heart beating, which improves your heart health. Depending on your specific goal, if you want to work on your hiking, try focusing on walking on Stairmaster. Or you want to improve your running, try starting with brisk walk. Walk faster, then do jogging, then running, which helps with endurance. Another goal is functional fitness, which aims to make everyday activities easier and reduce the risk of injury. It's similar to strength training but emphasizes movements like those performed with kettlebells. For example, when using the bathroom, have you ever struggled to sit down or get up from the toilet? Or experienced difficulty getting in and out of a car? Squatting can greatly help by strengthening your ability to sit and stand. Again, functional fitness helps with able to move furniture. Grab bags of food for dog or taking children to bed. Overhead press helps with putting iron pan into a top kitchen cabinet. Or put luggage into the top bin when flying. That's functional fitness, helping to make everyday activities easier. Another goal is improving balance. Do you tend to fall a lot, clumsy? Work on balance. This is even more important for older people because of fragile bones. So let's focus on improving balance. It doesn't matter which workout plan you choose, any of them will benefit you. They will help improve your health, prevent chronic diseases, and improve your mental well-being. Now that you know your why and have identified your fitness goal, choose a workout program that matches your schedule. This is important. For beginners, I recommend starting with 3 sessions per week. This is a great start. In this case, I recommend doing a full body workout 3 times a week. If you have the time and desire to do 4 sessions per week, upper, lower, rest, upper, lower, or if you prefer to work out 5 times a week, you can follow an upper, lower, split, and on the 5th day, focus on your weak points or emphasize your goal area, such as arms. Direct most of your focus on your arms. We also have PPL, pull, push, legs, which can be done 5 or even 6 times a week. The format would be PPL, P for 1 week, then L, P for the next. If doing 6 times a week, follow the pattern PPL. Importantly, choose a workout schedule that best matches your lifestyle. If you know you can be consistent with your workouts based on that schedule, pick that. If you suddenly start working out 6x, 5x, or even 4x per week when you're not used to it, it's better to begin with 3x per week to see if you can be consistent. Once you're accustomed to it, you can always adjust your schedule later on. So how do you choose a workout program? Start by searching online. Use the keyword best workout program, and then specify your goal. For example, if you aim to improve your appearance, build more muscle, or lose fat, type in hypertrophy or fat loss. If you're focused on heart health and want to improve your running, search for endurance. You'll find various options for workout programs. You can browse through these options and then decide. However, it's important to note that these programs may not be perfect because they aren't tailored to your specific needs, goals, and lifestyle. Typically, these programs are more generalized. But this is still a great start. As you progress, you will realize what needs to be improved or adjusted. If you want a personalized workout program that suits you, consider hiring a personal trainer. We also offer that option. If you'd like to learn more about our services, check out the link in the description. Finally, now it's time to exercise. The first thing you should always do is learn the proper form of each exercise. Doing exercises with proper form means less risk of injuring yourself and your workout is more effective, leading to better results. So, how do you learn proper form? Again, search online. Type exercise name, for example, squat proper form. You'll find various videos demonstrating the exercise. It's important to note that different videos may show slightly different techniques for the same exercise. However, this doesn't necessarily mean that one is right and the others are wrong. Sometimes, different variations can all be correct. Importantly, follow experts. Here are some experts who I trust. Or you can join our workout program. We have demo videos showing you the proper form of exercises via the app. The videos are accessible and are in ASL. Go ahead and watch the videos. Study the person's movements carefully. Notice how the elbows move and their position. Is the back straight or curved? Pay attention to the movement from point A to B. For example, in a bicep curl, point A is at the bottom and point B is when you're lifting the weight up. Remember these details when exercising. I highly recommend you filming yourself when checking your form. I know it may feel awkward and weird, maybe even embarrassing. But it's important to remember that this is part of the learning and growth process. Watch the video you recorded of yourself to see if you're doing the exercise correctly. Compare your form with that of the experts, and you'll see what needs adjusting. Is your back not straight? Then try to straighten it out. This is all part of the learning process. If you need feedback on your exercise form, you can hire us as your personal trainer. I want to emphasize that there is no one right way to exercise. You will notice slightly different techniques for the same exercise, and chances are, they all work really well. So please don't be obsessed over perfect form. The key is to improve your form. You've been exercising. Congratulations. But it's common to hear people say, I've been working out and making other lifestyle changes for 2 weeks, but I don't see any fat loss. The fact is you're still new. 2 to 3 weeks is still new. I want you to give yourself more time. 3 months. Keep going for at least 3 months. It's also common to make progress, but we don't notice it ourselves. You're truly making progress, but you may not recognize it. I'll show you how to measure your progress. Get a notebook, use the Apple Notes app, or try a fitness tracking app. It's important to track how much weight you're lifting, reps, and sets. For example, if you're doing bicep curls with a pair of 10 pounds dumbbells for 10 reps, aim to increase to 15 or 20 pounds total for 10 reps next time. Similarly, if you did 12 reps of pull-ups, try to beat that next time by doing 13 reps. Even increasing by just 2.5 pounds is a significant weight increase. Keep track of your progress. Secondly, take progress photos of your body once a month. Take a few photos from the front, side, and back, showing skin. Try to take the photos at the same time each month. For example, if you took the photos at 8 a.m., aim to take them at the same time next month to maintain similar lighting conditions. Once you start noticing your progress, you'll see some changes. Thirdly, measure your body weight using a scale once a month. If you don't struggle or experience mixed feelings, and understand that weight gain or loss could be due to factors like water retention or muscle gain, and you have a healthy relationship with the number on the scale, you can measure your body weight 1 to 2 times per week. Otherwise, if you struggle, measure once a month. Yes, it's important to understand that our body weight can go up and down, which is perfectly normal. The more you measure yourself, over time like a year, you will notice the trend of the number going down even if it fluctuates, or if your goal is to increase your weight. Importantly, give it more time for better data. Fourthly, have you noticed your clothes feeling looser? How's your mood, energy, and sleep? Improved? Our app has everything you need to track your progress. If you're interested, you can sign up by clicking the link in the description. So now that you've been noticing your progress and seeing some results, you will definitely feel more motivated to keep exercising. But if you truly don't see any progress or results for 1, 2, 3 months, then you need to make necessary adjustments. Maybe it's nutrition, which is most important, accounting for 80%. So you may need to focus on eating more protein and vegetables, and try to improve your sleep. I will discuss this topic further in another video. To summarize, the first step is to figure out your why, your reason for continuing to exercise. This will help you stay committed. For me, personally, I grew up feeling depressed and lonely, spending all day playing video games every day and not feeling happy with myself, especially my appearance. I decided I wanted to be happy and take control of my life again. I didn't want to depend on others, I wanted to rely on myself. That's my why for continuing to exercise. Now, what's your why? Next, determine your unique fitness goals. Is it fat and weight loss? Muscle gain? Strength training? Do you have knee issues you want to address? Choose a workout program that best matches your needs. And then, learn the proper way to exercise. Remember, this fitness journey takes time. The most important to do is get started now. Start now. Your body will thank you. By investing in your health, you're investing in your future. If this video has been helpful, please click like and follow. Thank you for your support. Your support signifies your belief in our deaf community and in making health, fitness, and nutrition information more accessible. Once again, thank you for your support.